Have you ever wondered how you could improve the profitability of your trades and win more? Watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it out. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of SignalPeak. Link to this will be in the description of the video. I will also show you the best channel in my opinion where I get all of the insights, all of the analysis of my trade. So let me give you a context on who SignalPeak is. They offer traders a reliable way to improve their winnings in their trades. This is the platform that I use to make sure that I am able to validate all of the technical analysis I do. And I also check out what's in and what's out and what are the things that's happening in the trades. Like if they are in the consolidation period, are we in the bull run? What are the tokens that has a good potential for me to get in, make my entry, and what are my outs, right? The exit points that I need to consider. Now, here's the best plan that they would have, and this is actually what I have. In my honest opinion, I got the best value of this one simply because I am able to get as much profits now as I was doing before. Now, they have the lifetime plan or the lifetime subscription at just $350. And the best part, guys, is that if you are in the lifetime plan, see this, okay? You have a ton of channels in Telegram that you can join, all right? Doesn't matter if you would like to join 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or even 50 or 100 channels. And the best part is that they are continuously growing, okay? Right now, they have more than 100 channels, and who knows? In just a few weeks or a few months or a few years, they would grow into 500 channels or 1,000 channels. And what's best is that if you are in a lifetime plan, no matter how much channel gets added, you will be able to join all those. Now, you would see here, guys, up on top, okay, you have a free trial that you would also be able to enjoy for a limited time, which allows users like us to explore the features risk-free. Okay, some subscribers can gain access to more than 100 crypto groups right now. They have over 45 Forex groups, and they offer a wide range of trading signals. So the platform provides flexibility, and it allows users to join any channel at any point in time. And many traders, guys, including those that are in the groups like the Bull, which is the one that I will show you because that is the one that's my personal favorite. I mean, every 10, 15 minutes, it doesn't matter. I mean, if you are that type of trader wherein you are like a scalper, you do a lot of trades, you could access them any time of the day, anywhere. As long as you have internet access, you have your phone and all that, you would be able to access the channels that you are in. And the best part, guys, is the accuracy and profitability of these signals that are made by SignalPeak is a compelling choice for both new and experienced traders. So for new traders, of course, I would strongly suggest that you do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. That way you would know how to do technical analysis. But again, it's always best to have another point of people doing their own research, and you could compare if your technical analysis is also in line with them, and you could decide. I mean, that's always the best route to go to, okay? Now, with the free trial still available, guys, now is the perfect time to go ahead and check out SignalPeak Signal and see their impact firsthand. So let me go ahead and turn your attention over to their Telegram account. And as you can see, guys, there's a lot of messages right here. And you would see there's charting, right? If you click on this one, you have technical analysis. You have all sorts of lines right there that you could gather, okay? And you have the analysis at the bottom of it. So like this one, the majority of meme coins and pump.fun tokens have failed, with many experiencing a retracement of 70 to 90% on average within just a few weeks, and most of the tokens dropping to almost zero. So all those type of analysis is going to be very, very helpful, very, very crucial in terms of you getting to know and doing your own research. This is actually a good part to start your own research. Now, once you have checked this one, you could do your own research, validate it, and see for yourself, you know, if this is something, okay, this is what they're saying, this is what I got. And from there, you would be able to decide on which best route to go to, all right? They have a lot of signals here that has been given. And again, guys, these are quality signals, right? So you have the Griffin plus 20% and all of that. And if you scroll down, there's a lot of information. Solana is for memes, BNB chain is for shitcoins, Ethereum is for utilities. You have all those, guys. And you got to go ahead and check this one out. Again, they have a free trial. Go ahead and check them out. This is one of the best decisions I made in terms of like all those signals that are super duper helpful for all my trades. If you are new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.